Massive backyard, guys. 2-car parking included. Back porch.
Can you hear me now? Can you hear me, sir?
Then we walk into Shannon Street. Look at this huge eat-in kitchen. First full bath is here. Just recently renovated. Then we have our first bedroom here. Tons of closet space. Then we go from the kitchen. This door right here goes to the basement where there's coin-operated laundry. We have a massive living room. Nice high ceilings to make the unit look even bigger than it already is. Tons of communal space here. Huge eat-in kitchen, huge living room, and then a spare room. Little storage room here, if you will. Tons of space. Actually, even closet. This could even be another bedroom if you really wanted. And then we'll go upstairs.